Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix slow download speed on Chrome Android. So first you need to open Chrome on your mobile phone. Once it is open, go to address bar, tap on it. You need to type Chrome // and hit enter. Okay, there is a search box here. You need to search in here parallel downloading. So you can see there is option called parallel downloading in the available section. Just tap on this default button. Make it as enabled like this. So you can relaunch the application right now. Once it is done, you need to open Play Store in your mobile phone like this. Once it is open, you need to go to search bar, search for Chrome and hit enter. You can see it is installed and it has update. You just need to tap on update to update the Google Chrome into the latest version. Then after, again come to the Google Chrome browser and check how many tabs are open right now. In this case there are only one tab. If you see there are 2 or 3 several tabs, make sure to close unnecessary tabs. You can see there is 2 tabs here. You can close one of the tabs if it is unnecessary. If you are using VPN, please turn off the VPN and try without VPN and use the stable Wi-Fi and mobile connection. And all the fixes are not working, you have to close this one, open Play Store again, go to search bar, in here search for Chrome, tap on it, tap on uninstall. Then after try to install it again, find the issue is still happening or not. So these are the methods you can try to fix the slow download speed on Google Chrome Android version. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.